Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to recreate this easy twisted updo in less than 5 minutes. To start, I'm going to take a small section of hair from the side of the head, about eyebrow height, and then we're going to repeat the same size section on the opposite side. Bring these together at the back of the head and secure them together by creating a knot, as if you were tying your shoelaces. So pull it nice and tight against the head, and then we're just going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of that knot to keep it secure. I do one from each direction. Then take some dry texture spray, apply it to the knot and pinch and pull for more volume. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Also pinch and pull the hair at the crown for a little bit more messy texture. Then we're just going to repeat the same steps one more time. So take a slice of hair from each side of the head, bring them together at the back and create a simple knot. Pull it tight and lay it just under the first one, and then secure from each side with a bobby pin. Now gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail. Apply some more of that texture spray over the ponytail and divide in half. And we're going to do a rope braid. So we're going to twist both sections to the left and then cross the left strand over the right. And then just repeat this all the way down to the end and secure it with a clear elastic. Then we're going to pinch and pull at that twist from all sides to give it more volume and texture. And then to create the bun, we're simply going to wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail. And then just tuck your ends underneath so you can't see them. Hold to the head and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. And then just fix in place with a little bit of hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.